Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Davinci Resolve, how to add text. As example, I will insert this video to the track. And the next, if you want to add text into this video, you can select the title buttons in the top here, click, and then you can choose for the text. And here like I will set into this option, basic title. You can click, hold, and then you can drag into the track. So to be appear the title. To edit, you can double click in the title selection, and then you can set like into Pasukat channel. Click offset to apply. So if you play, it will be show text in your video. Okay, that's it for basic Davinci Resolve, how to add text. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.